Welcome everyone. We're here today at our friends at the Sayville Ferry Company. We're going to be doing some disinfecting to keep their employees and customers safe. The process we're doing today is a disinfectant fogging. We're going to use a fogging machine to introduce a disinfectant into the air to kill any airborne germs, and that disinfectant will settle on all the surfaces, leaving a disinfectant barrier so that if anyone touches it, they can be assured that they won't have any germ transfer.
I'd really like to thank Glenn and his group at CGI, the cleaning group, for what they do and how they've kept my boat safe. They keep my passengers safe, they keep my crew safe, and keep the whole environment, and I just couldn't be thankful enough. Meeting him, learning of this system that he has and the product that he has is really been a home run for me. It's given me peace, it's given me comfort to know that I am putting the best product forward for the customers, for the homeowners, and for my crew.